Make my quesadilla. I'm a super George Foreman. A little sticky. Bam! Look at that. Brussels sprouts, chicken, Taylor ham. What? This is probably one of the first one that's ever been made on the planet. Didn't hear that from me. Nice and hot. All right, let's let it sizzle. Sizzling away. All right. Guess what? My drippy tray. Uh-oh. Houston, we have a problem. I left it up there. It's in the cabinet. I didn't get it. I'm going to clean the table. But, bam. Look at my quesadilla. Need to get mine. Clean some of this up. All right. One trick I learned is when you grab the knife, it's stuck, right? So what you need to do is get your spatula. You got to come up underneath it. All right. Bam. Very hot. Don't forget that. That is beauty. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to cut it. Listen to that crunch. Come the other way. I got to make a condiment for this. I got some portobello mushrooms. I want to do it with my oyster sauce. And there you go. My dinner. Bam. Love it.